Looking for a reliable used car under $7,500 in 2026? We've rounded up 6 affordable, dependable options that won't let you down. From well-known favorites to hidden gems, each car offers real value, efficiency, and durability for your budget. Let's jump straight into the list. Honda Civic 2014. Starting strong with a favorite among first-time buyers and used car shoppers, the 2014 Civic offers an estimated 30 miles per gallon city and 39 miles per gallon highway, making it extremely fuel-efficient for daily commuting. On the market, you can find these models averaging around $6,500 depending on condition and mileage. Annual maintenance costs are reasonable, typically around $400 to $600, and insurance in the US averages $1,200 per year. This Civic is praised for its long-term reliability, smooth handling, and solid resale value. Common issues to watch for include worn suspension components, occasional transmission glitches, and electronics problems in higher mileage models. Overall, it's a safe and practical choice that consistently delivers value. Toyota Camry 2012. Known for its bulletproof reliability, the 2012 Camry remains a solid choice for those seeking comfort and durability. It averages 25 miles per gallon in the city and 35 miles per gallon on the highway, which is impressive for a mid-size sedan of this age. Prices hover around $6,800, with many examples still under 160k miles. Maintenance costs are slightly higher than the Civic, averaging $500 to $700 annually, but the Camry's longevity and low repair frequency make it worth it. Insurance estimates are roughly $1,300 per year. Benefits include a spacious interior, smooth ride, and strong engine performance. Watch out for potential oil leaks, worn suspension bushings, and occasional transmission hesitation in high-mileage units. It's a dependable sedan that appeals to a wide range of buyers. Mazda 6 2015. Shifting to underrated options, the 2015 Mazda 6 combines style, performance, and affordability. Fuel efficiency is about 26 miles per gallon city and 35 miles per gallon highway, while prices on the market average $7,200, making it accessible yet sporty. Annual maintenance tends to be around $500, with insurance averaging $1,350 per year. Key benefits include engaging driving dynamics, responsive steering, and a comfortable cabin. Buyers should check for potential transmission issues, premature brake wear, and minor electrical glitches, which are less common but can arise with older models. For those looking for a slightly sportier alternative to the usual sedans, the Mazda 6 offers a great balance of performance, reliability, and cost, making it a hidden gem worth considering. Hyundai Sonata 2016. The 2016 Sonata is an underrated midsize sedan that blends affordability with reliability. With an estimated fuel economy of 25 miles per gallon city and 36 miles per gallon highway, it provides efficient daily commuting without sacrificing comfort. Market prices for well-maintained units hover around $7,000, with mileage typically below 170k. Annual maintenance costs are moderate, averaging $450 to $650, while insurance premiums in the US are approximately $1,300 per year. Key benefits include a spacious cabin, smooth ride quality, and a long list of standard tech features such as Bluetooth connectivity and rear-view camera. Potential problems include occasional engine noise, minor electrical issues, and premature wear of suspension components. For buyers seeking a dependable sedan with a solid mix of features and value, the Sonata stands out as a strong contender in this budget range. Ford Fusion 2016. Moving to American options, the 2016 Ford Fusion offers reliability and comfort at a surprisingly low price. Fuel efficiency averages 23 miles per gallon city and 34 miles per gallon highway, competitive for its mid-size category. Prices on the used market sit around $7,400 for models with mileage under 170k. Maintenance costs are estimated at $500 to $700 annually, while insurance runs about $1,350 per year. This Fusion impresses with a balanced ride, spacious interior, and good handling for a family sedan. Buyers should check for transmission performance, ensure the electronic components like infotainment and sensors are functioning, and watch for suspension wear in older units. Overall, the Fusion is a solid, practical option that combines classic American design with real-world reliability and affordability, making it a standout in this budget segment. Chevrolet Impala 2014. Finally, the 2014 Impala represents a large, comfortable, and practical American sedan for under $7,500. Fuel economy is estimated at 19 miles per gallon city and 29 miles per gallon highway, slightly lower than smaller sedans but reasonable for its size. Prices hover around $6,800, and many models remain under 160k miles. Annual maintenance averages $500 to $700, and insurance is about $1,300 per year. The Impala shines with roomy seating, a quiet ride, and strong engine performance, making it ideal for long commutes or family use. Common issues include potential transmission wear, electrical quirks, and occasional suspension noise, which buyers should inspect carefully. For those wanting a larger, comfortable sedan without exceeding a tight budget, the Impala offers excellent value while delivering dependable performance and a strong presence on the road. If you're enjoying this list and want more guides like this for used cars under specific budgets, hit that subscribe button now so you never miss a video packed with real-world car insights, market prices, and maintenance tips. Each recommendation is based on reliability, cost-effectiveness, and overall value, helping you make smarter car buying decisions without the guesswork.